Poco M3 with triple rear cameras, Qualcomm Snapdragon 662 SoC launched. Price, specifications. Poco M3 has been launched as the latest smartphone by the Xiaomi sub-brand. The new phone comes with a Qualcomm Snapdragon 662 SoC and features triple rear cameras. The Poco M3 also features a dot-drop design, company speak for the water drop style display notch. Prior to Poco M3, Poco brought Poco M2 and Poco M2 Pro to its M series. While Poco M2 came with a MediaTek Helio G80 SoC, Poco M2 Pro included a Qualcomm Snapdragon 720G SoC. Poco M3 price, availability. Poco M3 price has been set at $149, roughly 11,000 rupees, for the 4GB plus 64GB storage variant, while the 4GB plus 128GB storage option carries a price tag of $169, roughly 12,500 rupees. The phone comes in cool blue, Poco yellow, and power black color options. It will be available for purchase starting November 27. As an introductory offer, the Poco M3 will be available at a $20 discount under a Black Friday sale that will take place through AliExpress, Amazon, Alza.ca, eMag, Lazada, Me.com, Mehome.pl, and XCOM. Details about the India launch of Poco M3 are yet to be revealed. Poco M3 specifications. The dual SIM, Nano, Poco M3 runs on Android 10 with MIUI 12 for Poco on top. It features a 6.53-inch Full HD Plus, 1080 by 2340 pixels, display with 19.5:9 aspect ratio and 90.34% screen-to-body ratio. The display is also protected by a Corning Gorilla Glass under the hood. The phone is powered by the octa-core Qualcomm Snapdragon 662 SoC, coupled with 4GB of LPDDR4X RAM. There is also a triple rear camera setup that is headlined by a 48-megapixel primary sensor with an f/1.79 lens. The camera setup also includes a 2-megapixel secondary sensor with an f/2.4 macro lens and a 2-megapixel depth sensor with an f/2.4 lens. For selfies and video chats, the smartphone comes with an 8-megapixel shooter at the front that carries an f/2.05 lens on top. Poco has offered 64GB and 128GB of onboard storage options that both are expandable via microSD card, up to 512GB, through a dedicated slot. Connectivity options on Poco M3 include 4G LTE, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, GPS, a GPS, USB Type-C, and a 3.5mm headphone jack. The smartphone also comes with a side-mounted fingerprint sensor as well as includes an infrared, IR, blaster. Poco M3 packs a 6,000 mAh battery that supports 18 watts fast charging. Besides, the phone weighs 198 grams. For more updates, subscribe to Tech News and share this video.